Hey there, Chet here. Now listen, I want you to stop paying hundreds of dollars every year for Adobe Illustrator. There's a free open source tool out there that has almost all of the power and can create professional vector graphics at zero cost. That tool is called Inkscape, and today we're going to review it. So what exactly is Inkscape? Well, it is a free open source vector graphics editor that you download and install on your computer. It works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Now, its main job is to help you create scalable graphics. This means any logo, icon, or illustration that you create can be resized to be as small as a phone icon or as big as a billboard without ever losing quality or becoming blurry. Its lines will always be perfectly sharp, and it is a true professional alternative to Adobe Illustrator. Its biggest advantage is that it gives you access to professional level creative tools without any cost. And this is a game changer for students, small businesses, hobbyists, and really anyone who cannot afford an expensive monthly software subscription. For a free tool, Inkscape is incredibly powerful. It has a complete set of tools for drawing and manipulating vector shapes. You also have precise control over paths and nodes. You can create complex color gradients, and you can also work with layers just like you would in other professional software. It has everything that you need to design intricate logos and detailed illustrations from scratch. Inkscape is also great at working with different file types. Its main format is SVG, or Scalable Vector Graphic, which is the standard for vector graphics on the web. But it can also import and export many other file types, including PDFs, which makes it very flexible for different kinds of projects. Now, let's go back over price. It is the easiest part of the review. Inkscape is free, not a free trial, not a free version with limited features, completely free forever. It's developed by a passionate community of volunteers from around the world who believe that the powerful creative tools should be accessible to everyone. There are no subscriptions, there are no hidden fees, and absolutely and quite literally nothing to pay for. The value it provides for $0 is simply unbelievable. So, what is my final review? If you're a designer who absolutely needs the seamless integration of the Adobe Creative Cloud ecosystem, then Illustrator is still the industry standard. But for everyone else who needs to create professional, high-quality vector graphics, Inkscape is an absolutely fantastic choice. It is powerful, it is flexible, and you can't beat the price. Free is free is free. You can't beat it. All right, that's it for this review. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.